Welcome to Moving to Portugal Daily, episode XYZ. I'm Mateos Costa. Today, we dive into the SEF-Ready healthcare and insurance playbook with practical steps to help you relocate smarter and live better in Portugal. Hook. Imagine arriving excited, keys in hand, and then a missed residency appointment because the health paperwork didn't convince SEF. Unexpected bills stack up, your landlord asks for proof, and your move suddenly stalls. I've seen Nomads lose weeks and thousands of euros to that one mistake. This episode solves that exact problem. Protect your health and your residency in one practical playbook.
Section 1. What you'll finish with, plus quick triage on arrival. By the end of this segment, you'll have a 3-step checklist to handle urgent care, know how to triage EHIC or GHIC or travel insurance use, and what temporary documents to capture for SEF. Promise, a compact playbook you can complete in your first 48 hours. First, arrival triage. If you're an EU citizen with an EHIC or GHIC, present it at any public hospital for reduced fees or urgent care. Ask for a written invoice and the attending clinician's name. If you rely on travel insurance, read the policy page that shows emergency medical limits and the claim's phone number. Take a clear photo of that page and save the email confirmation. For urgent care flow, 1. Seek care. 2. Obtain an itemized invoice. 3. Keep proof of payment or a bank statement. 4. Get a short clinical note or discharge summary from the clinician. Those 4 items, invoice, payment proof, clinical note, and the policy page, are your temporary evidence. They buy you time while you set up longer-term coverage.
Section 2. The SNS versus private decision matrix and how to document choices for SEF. Start by understanding eligibility. SNS, the public system, is available if you register properly and have the right residency steps underway, but wait times for a GP or specialist can be weeks to months. Private insurance gives speed and direct invoices you can show SEF, but it's an extra cost. So use a decision matrix. Section 3. Building a SEF-Ready healthcare packet plus health routines that support long-term evidence and performance. Your packet should be a clearly labeled folder with these items. 1. Policy summary page and full policy PDF. 2. Invoices and itemized receipts for any care. 3. Proof of payment, bank statement or receipt. 4. GP registration confirmation or private clinic registration. 5. Appointment confirmations and clinical notes. 6. Translated summaries or certified translations when required. And 7. A 1-page cover sheet that explains each document for SEF. Use consistent file names like policy_summary 2026-0612.pdf and invoice_clinica Lisbon 2026-0610.pdf. Consistent organization reduces back and forth and shows professionalism. Now, integrate health habits and anti-aging practices so your medical records look consistent over time. Schedule an initial baseline check with a GP that includes basic blood work, lipids, fasting glucose, vitamin D, then set routine follow-ups every 6 to 12 months. For daily habits, prioritize sleep, 7 to 8 hours, morning sunlight exposure for circadian rhythm, hydration, a protein-rich breakfast, and movement, even short daily resistance work. Supplements I commonly recommend as general supportive measures are vitamin D, omega-3, and magnesium. Consult a clinician for personalized dosing. These routines do 2 things. They keep you energized for relocation tasks, and they create repeatable touchpoints with healthcare providers, so your file shows consistent engagement rather than a single isolated visit. Real Nomad example, and a common mistake to avoid. A listener arrived with only a basic travel policy that had a €30,000 headline limit but excluded outpatient care and didn't provide itemized invoices. SEF asked for proof of routine coverage and the landlord paused the contract. The quick fix, the Nomad upgraded to a private insurance policy that issued an immediate policy schedule and paid for a private GP visit. The insurer provided a dated invoice and proof of payment. The GP provided a short clinical note, and within days, the residency packet met SEF's expectations. Lesson: don't assume the headline number is enough. Verify policy wording for outpatient coverage and the insurer's ability to provide invoices and direct billing. Too many people discover this when it's already urgent. Immediate action. 3 things to do in the next 48 hours. 1. Photograph your current travel policy pages that show emergency limits and the claims phone number, then email them to yourself and save the PDF. 2. Book an initial private GP appointment. Many clinics accept online booking, and ask in advance for an itemized invoice and a short clinical summary after the visit. 3. Download and complete the fillable Portugal Health Setup Packet from the Nomad Life Success module. Populate the cover sheet and attach your policy summary, any invoices, and proof of payment. If you do those 3 steps, you'll convert flimsy travel evidence into a SEF-Ready packet fast. If you want the fillable packet and a template cover sheet, head to the Nomad Life Success module. It includes a simple checklist you can use immediately. Portugal isn't just a destination, it's your optimized new beginning.
That's your daily Portugal blueprint. Start applying one thing this week.